I was searching through PBS learning media and I was wondering, is there something I can use with my students? I came across this, the order of operation. I have a lot of students that still need to acquire this skill, and I thought this is kind of cool and engaging that my students can use it to help them learn the orders of operation. So here we go.
Evaluate expressions. I have some patience. I just follow the order of operations. I simplify to see what they equal. Pen comes first and Daz is the sequel. Pen Daz, yeah, that's an acronym. We'll break it down just to see what is happening. P is parentheses, search for one first. Whatever is inside them, you need to do the work. E is exponents, so raise them up. Or get down with the roots like Questlove does. MD, multiplication and division. I do them left to right, yes, that's my decision. AS, addition and subtraction. You learn them first, do it last. That is the fashion. Some say please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Some say pen dash. Either way the order is important, just like swim class. I've been first and I've been last. Either way I keep the order with pen dash. First is parentheses, then it's exponents. Multiply, divide, and subtract. Yeah, you know this.
It goes over the orders of operation several times, and then it gives you an equation like this, and then it will ask the students to solve it. So you're going to use the rules of order of operation to solve this problem.
Say that we've got this. Let's use PEMDAS. See what we accomplish. First we do what we see in the parentheses. 17 minus 15, that is 2 indeed. 3 plus 1, that is 4. Yes, I'm brilliant. Now, exponents is what we'll be dealing with. 4 to the second means 4 times 4. That equals 16. And yes, I am sure. Next we multiply and we divide. 16 times 2 is 32. Oh my. 32 divided by 4 is 8. And then we add or subtract, okay? 8 minus 5 is 3, which is easier than writing this to me. Cut through your operations just like a surgeon. Flowcat.
I can use this video to help encourage my students and reinforce the orders of operation, so then that way they can learn how to do it. I feel that this video was engaging. The students were able to learn the lesson and even solve a problem together. The student was able to solve a problem together with the video. After that, I will make my own problems and go over with my students as guided practice. The sad thing about this video is it does not have any assessments for the students, so I would have to create my own assessment for my student. Thank you.